Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about LG Electronics Sears Kenmore Refrigerator Water Filter Head part #MDJ62165101. The LG Electronics Sears Kenmore Refrigerator Water Filter Head part #MDJ62165101 is a replacement part for LG refrigerators. It is designed to replace the original filter head on LG refrigerators that use the Kenmore water filter system. The filter head helps to reduce contaminants in the water supply, such as chlorine, lead, and other particles. It also helps to improve the taste and odor of the water. The filter head is easy to install and comes with detailed instructions for installation. It is important to replace the filter head every 6 months or this part fixes the following symptoms. This part is not designed to fix any symptoms. It is a replacement water filter head for LG Electronics Sears Kenmore refrigerators. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Locate the water filter head in the back of the refrigerator, usually located near the top of the refrigerator. 3. Remove any existing water filter head by unscrewing it from its housing. 4. Take the new LG Electronics Sears Kenmore Refrigerator Water Filter Head part #MDJ62165101 and insert it into the housing, making sure that it is securely fastened in place. 5. Plug in your refrigerator and turn on the water supply to begin using your new filter head. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.